Hello students, welcome to this online Alga class. Today we will practice reading some more words with double consonants. Now go to SR 13. Students, in the last class we saw some words with double consonants. So what are double consonants? Are you know? When a letter occurring twice in a word. जब एक लेटर दो बार किसी वर्ड में आता है तो वो डबल कॉन्सोनेंट होते हैं. So let's start. Here is a N sound, double N sound. जैसे कि यहाँ दिया हुआ है DINNER. So here N came twice in a word dinner. N as a dinner. So double N sound makes N sound. N. Bonnet. 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 Winner. 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 Next is tunnel. Tunnel. TUNNER. Sorry, EL. Tunnel. Okay. TUNNEL. Tunnel. As well as some more words like running. Running. Cannot. Cannot. Manner. Manner. In. Planner. Planner. Okay. So students, here we use N sound twice. Okay. यहाँ हमने double N sound को दो बार यूज किया है. Next, go to SR 14. Double T sound. T as a T. ठीक है. Kitten. Kitten. Butter. Butter. Cotton. Cotton. Button. Button. Okay. Gutter. Gutter. Mutter. Shutter. Letter. Bitten. Better. Next is double Z sound. Z as a buzzer. Z as a pizza. Z as a drizzle. Sizzle. Next is whiz. Frizzed. Puzzling. Jazz. Fuzz. Fizz. Okay. When a letter appears twice in a word, that is a double consonant. So next, Sunny was a happy boy. He loved to eat pizza and play games. He once met his friends for dinner. On the way, it was drizzling, so Sunny got wet, but it didn't matter. So students, which words here are highlighted are double consonants. Next, jazz music was playing and he got to eat pizza with a lot of butter. He had it with some fizzy soda. His friends thought it was funny. So students, जब हम किसी एक लेटर को किसी वर्ड में दो बार यूज करते हैं तो वो डबल साउंड क्रिएट करता है. ओके. They are called double consonants. Now we will learn how to write the spellings of new words we have learned in this unit so far. Okay. So we will read about whole words. First word is match. 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 Okay. Next word is face. 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 Students, please read along with me. Next word is field. 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 Next word is MISS. 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 And the last word is test. 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 So students, you have to read these words and write on your copy. Now open SR 19. Today we will read story about another sport which is very famous in India, Kabaddi. The story is about Kabaddi. The name of the story is an Indian playground sport. So let's start now. My name is Arjun and I was born in India, but I have been living in the USA for many years now. I miss many things about my home. I miss this sport. I played more than anything else. कबड्डी। तो वो क्या कहता है कि मेरा नाम अर्जुन है और मेरा जन्म भारत में हुआ है, लेकिन मैं कई सालों से अमेरिका में रह रहा हूँ। मुझे अपने घर की बहुत सी बातें याद आती हैं। मुझे मौके की याद आती है, मैंने किसी और चीज़ से ज़्यादा कबड्डी खेली। राइट, नेक्स्ट। It is an ancient 4000 years old contact team sport. It was played by kings and warriors to test their skill. It is very easy to play. All you need is a ground and two teams. The court is divided into two sections. The two teams line up in each section facing each other. तो वो क्या कहता है कि यह एक प्राचीन 4000 साल पुराना संपर्क है। It was played by kings and warriors. यह राजाओं और योद्धाओं द्वारा खेला गया था। All you need is a ground and two teams. तो क्या कहता है कि आपको बस एक मैदान की जरूरत है और टीम बनाने के लिए एक कोर्ट को 2 सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया जाता है ताकि ईच सेक्शन में एक दूसरे का सामना करने वाली टीम की लाइनअप हो। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स गो टू SR20. To start, a player from the first team enters the other team's zone. He or she should touch players of the opposing team while continuously chanting Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Then he tries to get back to his team's section. तो क्या होता है, पहले एक टीम से खिलाड़ी जाता है और वो स्टार्ट करते हैं दूसरी टीम जोन को कबड्डी 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 को लगातार बोलते हुए उस विरोधी टीम को छूते हैं। ओके, फिर वह अपने में वापस आने की कोशिश करता है। He tries to get back to his team section. अपने सेक्शन में वापस आने की कोशिश करता है। Next, if he makes it, the tagged players are out. But if the team stops him, he is out. Then it is the second team's turn. The team that loses all its players loses the game. तो यदि वो ऐसे करते हैं तो सभी खिलाड़ी आउट हो जाते हैं, बट लेकिन अगर टीम उसे रोक देती है, इफ द टीम स्टॉप्स हिम ही इज आउट, तो वो हार जाता है। देन इट इज द सेकंड टीम्स आउट, देन इट इज द सेकंड टीम्स टर्न, फिर यह दूसरी टीम की टर्न होती है। द टीम दैट लॉसेज ऑल इट्स प्लेयर्स लॉसेज द गेम। तो जो भी टीम हारती है तो उनका क्या होता है, लॉस होता है। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स गो टू SR21. Today, Kabaddi is becoming famous thanks to competitions like Pro Kabaddi League. तो क्या है, आज कबड्डी है जो प्रो कबड्डी लीग जैसी प्रतियोगिताओं के लिए प्रसिद्ध हो रही है, फेमस हो रही है। तो वो क्या कहता है कि मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं इस खेल को USA में फैला सकता हूँ। दिस स्पोर्ट हैज ट्रूली बिकम द मोस्ट फेमस इंडियन प्लेग्राउंड स्पोर्ट। So students, this story is about Kabaddi. I hope you have understood this. Okay, now next vocabulary words. First word is ancient. And what is the meaning? Belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. An example is we are reading stories about leaders from ancient history. Next is continuously, without interruption or gap. For example, it has been raining continuously for 4 hours. बच्चे, एशियंट होता है प्राचीन, बिलोंगिंग टू द वेरी डिस्टेंस पास्ट, एंड कंटिन्यूसली होता है लगातार, विदाउट एनी गैप। नेक्स्ट इज वॉरियर्स, ब्रेव और एक्सपीरियंस सोल्जर्स। वॉरियर्स होते हैं योद्धे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द वॉरियर्स प्रोटेक्टेड द सिटीज। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सेक्शंस। सेक्शंस होता है डिविजन्स ऑफ लैंड, इसको हम खंड बोल सकते हैं, पार्ट। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फुटबॉल फील्ड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 sections. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पॉपुलैरिटी, मीनिंग इज द कंडीशन ऑफ बीइंग लाइक्ड एंड सपोर्टेड बाय मैनी पीपल। पॉपुलैरिटी मीन्स किसी चीज़ की खास Olli's popularity has increased in the last 2 years. Okay, so these are vocabulary words. Now draw the table in your notebook and make 3 columns: new word, meaning and sentence. And new words are skills, opposing, encouraging and spread. For example, skills, and the meaning is types of abilities, and the sentence, Kabaddi tests the skills of a player. So you will write their meanings and sentence on your notebook. Okay, so these are the new words and their meanings and sentences. Note down the correct meanings and sample sentences. Now open WS21. Question number 1. First is, why does Arjun miss playing kabaddi? Second is, what is the player going into the opposite zone say? Third is, name one kabaddi competition. Fourth is, how does a team win a kabaddi match? And next is determiners. So we do it yourself. Okay. Now students, these are the answers for worksheet 21. First question is, why does Arjun miss playing kabaddi? Arjun misses playing kabaddi because he has been living in the USA for many years. अर्जुन कबड्डी को क्यों मिस करता था? क्योंकि वो यूएसए में रह रहा था. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द प्लेयर गोइंग इनटू द ऑपोजिट जोन से? जब खिलाड़ी दूसरे जोन में जाते हैं तो वो क्या बोलते हैं? द प्लेयर गोइंग इनटू द ऑपोजिट जोन कंटिन्यूसली चैंट्स कबड्डी कबड्डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम वन कबड्डी कॉम्पिटिशन. And the answer is, the Pro Kabaddi League is a kabaddi competition. Question number 4. How does a team win a kabaddi match? And the answer is, the team that catch all the players of the other team first wins the game. And the next question is, I hope I can spread this sport here in the USA. What is the meaning of the underlined word spread? Spread means to reach more people. Next is determiners. In each question, underline the noun and circle the corresponding possessive determiner. So students, what are determiners? You know, a determiner is a word placed in front of a noun to specify quantity or to clarify what the noun refers to. So what are the examples of determiners? Determiners include articles. Articles are a and the. Okay. Like cardinal and ordinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. Demonstratives भी होते हैं जैसे this, that, these, those. Okay. So these are the examples of determiners. Now go to SR 18. Possessive determiners. So what are possessive determiners? Words which show belonging of objects to different people or animals are called possessive determiners. So possessive determiner is a type of function word used in front of a noun to express possession or belonging. Okay. Some possessive determiners are like my, your, his, her, it, our and their. So first word is my. It shows belonging to I. For example, I eat my breakfast. तो यहाँ my है जो किसके साथ बिलोंग करता है? I के साथ. I eat my breakfast. Okay. Next word is your. Your shows belonging to you. You क्या करता है? किसके साथ belong है you? Your के साथ. For example, you bring your bag to school. And next word is our. Our shows belonging to us or we. For example, we go to our home. So here we belong to ours. Next is his. His shows belonging to he. For example, Naman drives his car. So students, these are possessive determiners. Students, in this class, we will learn which words to use to show things belonging to someone else. Okay, look at the picture. Next, read the sentences. First sentence is, Naman carries his bag to school. Next is, Kalyani carries her bag to school. So students, can you tell me with whom does the bag belong in both these sentences? Okay. So in the first sentence, the bag belongs to Naman. Here is bag है जो Naman के साथ belong करता है. Okay. Next is, Kalyani carries her bag to school. So here is the bag belongs to Kalyani. Bag क्या है? कल्याणी के साथ belong करता है. So here the words his and her tell us to whom the bag belongs. So look at these pictures and read the sentences. They carry their bags to school, and the next is the dog carries its bag to school. So can you tell me with whom does the bag belong in both sentences? So here the words their and its tell us to whom the bags belong. They carry their bags to school. Next, the dog carries its bag to school. तो यहाँ क्या है? जो दे है वो देर के साथ बिलोंग करता है और नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में डॉग इट्स के साथ बिलोंग करता है. द डॉग कैरीज इट्स बैग टू स्कूल. ओके. Students, now open WS21. We have done these questions, so once you have revised it and do it. Okay. So this is for today's class. So whatever I taught you today, you will revise it. Okay, bye students, and have a happy learning.